Okay.
Christmas morning.
Christmas morning. The twins are almost 2.
Second Christmas. Come on.
Okay, let's run down the hall and give them some presents. Here we go. The other way, by the Christmas tree.
Come on.
Oh,
Out
Rosie,
here.
don't sit down.
Out
Let's
here.
go see what Santa Claus brought.
Out here.
Let's see what Santa Claus brought.
Look. Marty, out here.
Oh, Santa Claus came.
Here, let me show you.
Those fun things he brought.
Look at. Follow your sister.
Oh.
Oh. Look at Marty. Look
Rosie,
at
look,
a drum
got some
set.
dresses and a magic wand. Ooh.
Marty.
Oh, he brought chips.
Look at Marty. Merry
Marty.
Christmas. Packaging tape. Just what you wanted.
Marty, look. No, you got a drum set, honey. Look. Look. You like those drums? Here, let me help you. Look, you sit here on the seat.
Rosie figured it out already. Look.
I know. Rosie's like, I want to play with those drums. You're going to help Marty play with it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Put on some Christmas music. You guys love that drum set? Woo! Oh, that's not how it works.
Maybe I might have to glue that top on. Go.
Rosie, are you going to take one of the drums away?